Hello children, let's continue our fourth chapter. So children, kindly open your book, page number 42. Today we discuss about second number properties of materials. Second property is hardness. Children, what happens when you press a piece of foam with your thumb? It gets compressed. Then take jelly, apple, cardboard and a metal object and press them. Can you distinguish them? And how? By feeling them, you find that jelly is very soft, apple and cardboard are harder and metal is the hardest. So, things which can be compressed easily are called soft and the things which cannot be compressed easily are called hard. Diamond is the hardest naturally occurring substance. Third property is texture. Texture is another property that can be used to classify materials into groups. Certain materials like glass, silk, mirror, etc. are smooth, whereas some others like rocks, sand, bricks, etc. are rough to touch. Fourth property is state. All substances are made up of matter. Matter exists in three states: solid, liquid and gas. Children, already you know about these three states. Let's remind again. Solid states. Solids have a definite shape and volume. And what is liquid state? Liquids do not have a definite shape but they have a definite volume. And what about gas state? Gases have neither definite shape nor definite volume. Clear about three states? So we conclude that solid particles are closely packed, liquid particles are not very closely packed, and gas particles are loosely packed. Fifth property is soluble or insoluble. The substance which dissolve in water are called soluble substance and the substance which do not dissolve in water are called insoluble substance. Let's see one observation. Take two glasses each half filled with water. In one, add 1 teaspoon full of salt and in the other 1 teaspoon full of sand. Stir them well. What do you observe? Salt disappears in the water in the first glass but sand particles are visible in the other glass. From this observation, you can say that salt is soluble in water whereas sand is insoluble in water. Water is known as a universal solvent as water can dissolve a large number of substances in it. Liquids which mix with each other are called miscible liquids and liquids that do not mix with each other are called immiscible liquids. Then sixth number property is objects may float or sink in water. Some objects may float in water and some may sink in it. Let's see one experiment. Take a piece of thermocol and a stone. Put them into a vessel containing water. What do you observe? Stone sinks into the bottom of the vessel but thermocol floats on water. How does it happen? This is because density of thermocol is lighter than water, so it floats and does not sink, whereas density of stone is heavier than water, so it sinks. From this, we understand that the things having lighter density than water float on it, and things having heavier density than water sink into it. Next class we discuss about 7 number property. Thank you children.